Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would be trying a nail product which I haven't actually tried before. I would be trying this Nykaa's matte top coat. Now as this is a top coat and it is a matte top coat, I assume by the name that this is supposed to make any of my nail polish look matte. I do not actually own a lot of matte nail polishes, and the reason simply being I am not a fan of matte nails. But sometimes there are occasions when I feel like having matte nails, and if this product actually works, then this would be a perfect alternate to actually buying a lot of matte nail polishes, because this can make any of my nail polishes look matte. So in today's video I would be trying this particular matte top coat on 5 of my nail polishes. I would be trying different textures and different colors on my nails, and let's see whether this particular product works or not. Now before actually getting into the demo of this particular nail polish, I would first like to talk about this particular nail polish, or actually the Nykaa's nail care range. So Nykaa, I guess a few months or a few years back, I'm not very sure because of this lockdown situation, I'm not even sure how long back did they launch these nail polishes. They actually came up with a full set of their nail care range, and one of them was this particular matte top coat. Apart from this, they have 8 more variants from their nail care range. I have my phone on right now and I would just mention a couple of them right after reading them from my phone. So they do have a rock hard nail hardener, a simple shine on top coat, a 7-in-1 nail spa, and a lot of other nail care range. All of these 9 nail care polishes retail for 249 rupees and they contain 12 ml of product. I just bought this particular matte top coat, although after reading the names of all of these nail care range polishes, I do feel that I need a few more, but for now I just have this matte top coat, and I would just read a little bit of description about what Nykaa have to say about this. So basically they say that this product instantly mattify. It is a mattifying and protective top coat. It feels velvety and has a soft touch effect. It is fast drying, anti-chipping. It is anti-chipping because it forms a protective film which actually avoids chipping. So I am actually honestly not interested in anything else apart from the fact that this particular nail paint can make my nail polish matte. So yes, that is what we would be trying in this video. Now a quick mention about the packaging of this product. You can already see how this is packed. I do like the semi-opaque rectangular bottle of this and a white cap. It actually makes this nail care range pretty classic and clean. It looks actually clean. I feel like using it. Apart from that, the brush is pretty normal and there is nothing very fancy about the packaging. So now without further ado, let's directly jump into the demo part of this video. Okay, so this is the Nykaa's top coat that I would be using today. I would be using 5 different nail polish formulas to test out the top coat. All these 5 nail polishes are actually from different brand and all of them are different colored. And this particular one is actually a glitter nail polish. I'm not sure how this top coat will look like, but I would be trying the top coat on all 5 nails with all these colors that I'm showing right now. So let's get started with the application. For my thumbnail, I would be applying this particular Nykaa Masaba nail polish in the shade Onwards and Upwards on my thumb. First I will apply all the nail polishes on my nails and then I would go on with the top coat to see how it works on different colors and different formulas. So this is how this shade looks like. On my second nail, I would be applying this particular OPI nail polish in the shade Sapphire in the Snow. This is a much darker color than the previous one, and I really want to see how this particular top coat works for light colors as well as dark colors. This is how OPI Sapphire in the Snow looks like. Now the next color that I would be using would be this Color Bar nail lacquer in the shade Madison. This is a deeper sort of an orange color, and I have already reviewed this particular shade on my blog. If you haven't read that yet, I will link the particular blog post in my description box. Next, I would be using this LYN glitter nail polish, and this particular one is in the shade In the Heart of Quits. The name was actually written here, which I cannot read very nicely, so I would be just writing it down somewhere on the screen. I have used this nail polish earlier and I know it is very sparkly. So I would be applying this on my 4th nail. I'm not sure whether top coats work on glitter nail polishes or not, but this particular nail polish is a perfect example of a chunky glitter nail polish. This is how the color looks like. For my pinky finger, I would be applying this Chambord nail polish in the shade 101. I have already reviewed this particular nail polish in one of my previous videos. So if you haven't watched that video, I would be linking that particular video in the description box down below and even on the I button somewhere on the top. This is how all the 5 colors look like. As you can see, none of them is a matte nail polish. So I would be trying this particular Nykaa's matte top coat on all 5 of my fingers, and let's see how this works with different formulas and colors. Okay, so it's been over 5 minutes and all 5 of my fingernails are completely dry now. Now I would start applying this Nykaa's matte powder matte top coat on each of the nail. I would be starting with my thumbnail where I have this Masaba Nykaa nail polish. I would just keep this nail polish here for reference. Now I'll just start by applying this particular top coat as we usually do. Now I don't actually know how much time do I need to wait, but I'll just wait for a few seconds and then let's see. It does seem to turn matte now. It's been almost 15-20 seconds and now I think it's turning into matte. I'm actually trying this particular top coat for the first time, so I'm not sure how much time does it take to convert the colors into matte, but I am going to wait for maybe a couple of minutes to make this look completely matte. It's still not completely matte. It does seem a little matter than it was earlier, but it's certainly not completely matte as of now. Okay, in the meantime, I'll just quickly try and apply this particular top coat on my other nails, and then let's see how much time it takes on each of the nail. I have my timer on, so let's see how much time it takes to change all of these colors into matte. Okay, so this one is actually turning into matte now. Let's wait for the others. This red one is actually pretty matte now. The first color, the blue one, is not matte right now, but this red, which is this Chambord gel nail polish in shade 101, is actually turning matte. It has already actually turned matte, and even this orange, which is this Calabar nail polish in the shade Madison, even this particular one is completely matte. As I was not sure about the glitter nail polish, it doesn't seem matte, but the look has actually changed a bit. It is not looking as sparkly or glittery as it was looking earlier. Not exactly completely matte because it is a glitter nail polish, but the texture has changed. This blue one is actually taking a lot of time. The others are almost done. All these 4 colors are actually looking matte, but this is still a little wet right now. So it's been almost over a minute, and this particular one has almost taken a minute and a half, and it's not still matte. So I guess I'll wait for another minute and then let's see. Okay, now I'll just stop. It's been 3 minutes since I've applied these nail paints, and yes, they are matte. They're not actually completely dry, but yes, they are matte. I'm actually loving the way this little fingernail is looking right now. I honestly love this particular color of Chambord nail paint, but this is looking really pretty even as a matte nail color right now. This particular one has still not dried completely. Anyway, so yes, this is how this particular matte top coat makes your nails look like after 3 minutes of application. Okay, so welcome back. You have seen how this particular top coat works for all 5 different nail polishes that I had. I am honestly pretty happy about the way it works. Like, I do not actually need to buy 5 different matte nail polishes. Instead, I can just buy one of this, which is like 249 rupees. I can just buy one of these and can make all of my nail polishes look matte. So yes, I am happy with the way it works. It did not actually work pretty well with their own nail polishes. Like, Nykaa Masaba nail polish was the one which took longest time to convert into a matte nail polish. Apart from that, Shembor worked really well, and even the LYN glitter nail polish, which I did not expect this product to work on, even that worked pretty well. It obviously, because it was a glitter nail polish, it did not got completely converted into a matte nail polish, but the glitter, the shine of the glitter actually subsided. But somehow it took more than 3 minutes to work on Nykaa nail polishes. Overall, I would say that this is a good product if you are into matte nails and you do not want to invest in a lot of matte nail polishes. Then this is definitely a good product. But I feel that this particular product takes a little bit too long in making the nails matte. Like, honestly, I do not have the patience to wait for 3 to 5 minutes for my top coat to dry. So if you are someone like me, then you might not be very happy and you might need to look for another matte top coat option which dries a little bit faster. But if you do have the patience to wait for 5 minutes for your nail polish or your top coat to dry, then yes, this 249 rupees Nykaa matte top coat is definitely a good option for you. I also actually have a matte top coat from Kiko Milano, which I would be trying after this. After using this, I'm actually liking the matte effect on my nails, so I would be soon trying that Kiko matte top coat, and I would try and film it for you guys and just compare that particular top coat with this Nykaa's top coat. So if you are interested in that video, then do let me know in the comment section down below, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below, so whenever I upload that particular video, you are the first one to know. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked today's video. If you like today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.